It's so potent that a lot of people feel it in 20 minutes. Everybody feels it in a few days. And it's the only product that can make that type of claim, and we protect it. I mean, we protect it in the same way that Coca-Cola protects its formula. I mean, we protect it like Fort Knox is protected. This means no one else is ever going to create or copy Bozzy. It'll be a poor imitation because it just won't work. That's exclusive. People go, wow, that's pretty exciting stuff. The L is for leverage. And when you look at leverage, I just keep it simple. Everyone says, why did you keep it so short? I promise, I really promise with you, that it's not about the presentation, it's about the connection, it's about having fun, it's the emotion of it. The leverage is very simple. Again, it's two things. Number one, being a home-based business. What I love about the leverage is the credibility of being on the stock exchange. We're on the prestigious American Stock Exchange that gives us great credibility as a home-based business. That's number one. And number two is leverage. All the investment has been made for us. The whole foundation of business is already put in there for us. All of the future growth is out in front of us. We have great leverage in terms of timing. That is a great opportunity that's there for us. The R is for right tools. Right tools are so important for you when you launch your business and you build your business. Why? Everybody that gets into business wants to feel confident. They want to look credible. They want to feel established and look established. And the first thing that somebody is experiencing is our product. And they feel very confident. They feel very proud to share this with people. Why? The first thing that people see is they go, wow, the bottle looks great. They can see the Accelerate name right on there. They can see the name Bozzy right on there. They love the velvet bag. They love the shot glass. They love the branding on the shot glass. When you pour a shot into the shot glass and you drink with somebody, they go, wow, it tastes great. We have a lot of confidence in sharing that. Not only does it taste great, it's so strong. A lot of people feel in 20 minutes what everybody feels in a few days. We're so confident about that, we put it right on the bottle. We say, feel the power. That's confidence. People just love our product, how confident it is. They also love the way it arrives. They love the packaging. This is a case of Bozzy. It says again right on there, feel the power. Somebody opens it up and they see right in there for $120 that they've got 6 bottles of Bozzy right in there. It looks established. It looks credible. It looks fantastic. They feel very comfortable with that this is one case of Bozzy and it gets sent to you like that. People say, wow, this looks great. They also love when the welcome kit arrives. You know, in your welcome kit, you automatically get 2 websites. One website is in English, one website is in Spanish, and it looks fantastic. It looks credible. It looks established. You've got all the athletes. It's cool. It's animated. It's intuitive. It's a brilliant website. When somebody receives this, they open it up and they look at it and say, wow, I can see the company logo, Accelerate. They look at it and say, wow, let me open this up. They see information about the company, the president, the founder, the CEO. Everybody's in here. They can understand about our company. They can understand about our product Bozzy. They can see it all right inside this. Again, what's it doing? It's building confidence. It's creating credibility. It's got that established feel. And particularly when they see our Bozzy card, they see the name Accelerate our company right on there. Feel the power. They see the Bozzy flower right on there. They see MasterCard. They see that Bozzy brand right on there. They just love to look at it. And they realize also, in today's economy, it's so important. Our bonuses get paid weekly and monthly. We'll talk about bonuses in a while, but the great thing is they get paid both weekly and also they get paid monthly, and they go right on this card. We have some bonuses that get paid quarterly. Then also, in addition to that, we've got your Bozzy presentation book. Again, this is very, very important. Why is that? Everyone that you share the product with, you want to share the opportunity with, whether it's one-to-one whether it's in a setting like this, they want to go home with the Bosi presentation book. Why is that? Well, inside here, there is a CD. So on the way home, they can listen to the information again. Maybe driving to work, they can listen to the information again. They can get up in the morning, take a shot of Bosi, drive to work, listen to the information. They can go through the presentation. They can go and see more people and see the results they've had with the product, see the results that they've had with the business. They can play around with the dream circle again and get engaged with that, and you're going to know a little bit more about that. They can see a little bit more about the company, the bonuses, how to get started. It's everything that they need. And it's also important, not just for them to refresh and remind themselves, but maybe they're going home to a spouse who wasn't there. Maybe they're going home to a friend that wasn't there. So they can have the product with them and say, try a shot, feel the power, let me show you the presentation, listen to CD with me. That's cool. And then to launch your business and to build your team, we have a system which is our business center. And we have one that's for launching, so we focus on your launch, being efficient with your launch, getting your business into profitability, and then how to build your business. We have DVDs in there. One of them shows you how to do a one-to-one presentation. The other DVD you're watching right now, which shows you how to do a group presentation. If you like, listen to information. It's got CDs on there. It's my wife and I taking you through that information, you step by step. It is a proven system. We documented how people have become financially independent with their company. It's in here. It's step by step. It's in a sequence. It's proven results. It's a proven teaching system. It's a proven system that helps people to succeed. And it's all right in here for you. It's a paint by number system. These right tools are what help people feel confident, get into profit quickly, to feel credible, to look established, and to make money. The right tools are so important. The 8 is for 8 people on your team. What that means is you have support. I'm here presenting for, and they realize they're not just hearing it, they're experiencing it, they're seeing it. I share some of the people that I'm working with. I help them understand the support that's here locally, nationally, so they really get to experience and understand the team. And then at this point, it's very simple. I say, okay, let's all see who can tell that story and who's going to start making $20,000 a month. And people look forward. And all I do is I just say, take one last look, and I just rub it out. I just rub out this information, and I go around the room, and I just ask people. I don't pick on anyone. I don't ask anyone specifically a name. I just out into the room, because you're now connected with everybody. I say, what's the X? Obviously, somebody will jump on and say, it's X factor, and I write it down. The next one will say, well, what's the E? And people say, it's exclusive. I say, what's the L? And somebody say, it's leverage. And I'll say, what's the R? It's right tools. What's the 8? It's 8 on the team. And you'll see people literally as proud as punch. Some people will be jumping out in front of one another, just going, they got it. You see their eyes light up. It's just the funniest thing. It has to be seen to be believed. It's just a funny dynamic. So now what you've done is you've shown somebody this part of the presentation. So right now I always say, well, right now you probably have a question. Well, how do you get started? So let's make a little bit of room on the board. We already know what this is, so we don't need our cheat sheet. We don't need to have this information on here. Let's just leave the name Accelerate on there, because every time you see Accelerate, you know what to tell the story. It's there in your mind. You've got it. You're a storyteller. You understand it. So there are 2 places that you can get started. One is as a customer. And the other one is as an associate. Now I want to show you, because people ask the question, well, what's the difference between the 2? And I always say the same thing, $20,000 a month. And people just look and laugh and they go, I get it. And I say, there are 2 ways you can be a customer. And I ask the question, if I asked you right now, if I asked 100 people right now, would you rather buy our product at retail or wholesale? What do you think most people would say? Well, people say if I offered to buy it retail,